So the tires are already off. Gonna be changing the strut. It's pretty simple. The ABS line just needs to be unbolted from the strut. The clip for the brake line needs to come out. And the brake line actually needs to be detached from the caliper, because it's going to have to go through this hole on the strut. These two bottom bolts come out, and then 3 bolts on the top. They should pop right out of there. This is really easy. The bolt just unbolts. This little clip here, it's easiest just to kind of bump it side to side. Just kind of put that aside so it doesn't get debris in it. There it is.
You want me to pause?
That one isn't actually too bad. That one wasn't actually too bad. Where did my other one go? I already threw it in the garbage. My other one had a cracked spring on it. But I'm putting a lift kit in this anyways. Maybe make another video for that. This is going to be going right underneath there. And just reassembling. It's as easy as that.